important safety video demonstration.
What are you going to do with all that? What are you going to do with all that? Put it on YouTube.
United Airlines has the largest route network in the world. The power of the vast network, the power of having 10 hubs around the globe, helps us get our customers to destinations. It's over 5,000 flights a day.
Well, we fly where people want to fly. We service Europe very thoroughly, the Middle East, Africa, India.
United flies over 10 million passengers to Latin America and the Caribbean every year, and it is the #1 carrier from the United States to Mexico.
We are huge in Asia. We fly over 300 flights a week to more than 30 cities. We also serve more cities in Japan than any other U.S. carrier.
United serves roughly 360 destinations directly. But with the Star Alliance network, that number grows to over 1,100.
We serve a huge region and different culture. So we have crews that speak a variety of local languages and make sure we have the right catering on board.
It's all about people. We're a global airline, but we strive to make you feel at home.
Welcome aboard. Bienvenidos a bordo.
Benvenuti a bordo.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying United today. We appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Please switch all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode, or disable cellular technology for the duration of the flight. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, smaller personal electronic devices must be secured, and larger laptop computers must be switched off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. If you're seated in an exit row, you may be required to assist the crew in an emergency. If you cannot perform the functions described on the safety card, please ask a flight attendant to be reseated. This 757 is equipped with 6 exit doors, 3 on each side of the aircraft. When opened, slides will automatically inflate. There are also 4 window exits over the wings, which can be opened by removing the cover and pulling down on the marked handle. When opened, ram slides will automatically inflate. During a water landing, do not use the exits over the wings unless advised by a crew member. Slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation devices. If you must evacuate the aircraft, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will illuminate and guide you to the exits. Each of the 10 exits is marked with an overhead sign. Please look around now and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. Your seat cushion can be used for flotation. Slip your arms through the straps and hold it close to your chest. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking is not allowed on this aircraft. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy lavatory smoke detectors. For your safety, you must follow the instructions of our crew members and obey posted and lighted signs. We'll be taking off soon. Your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest should be stowed. Make sure your seat back is upright and that your seat belt is securely fastened. Please review the safety card located near your seat. If you have any questions, please ask your crew.
Thank you for flying United. Dhanyavad.
Vielen Dank, dass Sie heute mit uns geflogen sind. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thanks again, and enjoy your flight.
Thank you so much for your attention. attention. Flight attendants are coming through the aisles to do their final safety checks. If you have any questions about safety, now's a really good time to address those. I'll be back to tell you a little bit more about a service plan for today's flight shortly after takeoff. As a reminder, the fasten seatbelt sign is on. When the captain turns the sign off, this will be your indication when it's safe to move about the cabin. Please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while you are seated. Take care when you're opening those overhead compartments. Those contents may have shifted during takeoff or during this turbulence. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Mileage Plus members who will be earning valuable miles on today's flight. If you'd like to become a member, you may enroll at united.com. On today's flight, we accept most major debit and credit cards, including those with the Visa, MasterCard, or American Express logos, as well as the Mileage Plus Explorer Visa card. Refer to the insert in the seat back pocket for more information. Also in the seat back pocket is a copy of the Sky Mall catalog. That's yours to keep. It does feature a large selection of unique product and gift ideas. In a few minutes, we will be offering a beverage service. Our beverage selection includes a variety of products. Your complimentary copy of Hemispheres lists all the beverages and pricing. Also in United Economy, you have the option of purchasing items from our snack shop, and that menu is also located towards the back of the Hemispheres. Also within that magazine, you'll find a layout diagram of Houston International Intercontinental Airport. If you are making a connection there today, you may find that especially helpful, and you're welcome to take that with you if you'd like. Use all approved personal electronic devices. As with the smaller devices, do make sure that the Wi-Fi is disabled, that it's not transmitting any type of signal. Shortly I'll be turning on some short subject video programming. You can find the audio for that programming on Channel 1. Secondary audio is on Channel 10. We now invite you to sit back, relax, rock yourself to sleep, enjoy our flight to Houston. If there is anything else we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know.